Mwandiki Moteneka Muvyani wa Kisomo Ambassador Professor Julius Bitok no wabitho okunikili ula wende oyu kuthiana withiano wa maskulu na otalo waguo wa manyiwa wionania kanave na manyiwa mbe wa 50 manze skulu ni cia secondary utalo ulotonya kwa mbata isesoni hii iminukilwa muthiani wa chumaki zama ya mbunge ya Kisomo ni awetakana no nginya hesabu yaguo inengano ya kukonya ngalama ya wanganganya wo na ula ithi utwaiwe kwa miaka ina oyu na esililwa mawanganganya wo muvyani wa Kisomo mayose wa matambia ala mailite makimeo Benjamin Mwaka na mauvo.
Yes, Bitok weta kisungi cha serikali kumanda uwe ulotano wa maniwe na maskulu uonanya kwao yumaini ni ba maniwe 50 skulu ni cia secondary ni manzeve.
Just use example of secondary. We have found that more than 50,000 students so far were not there before. So about 50,000 so far, and we're in the middle of the process, almost 50,000. So far in secondary, we have discovered that the numbers are not agreed, so to speak. There are quite a number of students who have been put in secondary. For junior and primary, we are seeing a little bit of a different trend, but it's not yet clear.
Onuvo Bitok weta dena wiki dio maskulu majati atio iseso the even la chumaniki ugo no manekana.
I cannot clearly confirm or deny the fact that there could be schools because we are still dealing with a lot of data. So as of now, we can't confidently say this is a good school. We can't say that.
Already as a farm, he has given it very clear that a reduction of 50,000, you can call it any other name. But the main name here is coastal land.
If the numbers have decreased by 30,000, meaning who are these 50,000? They are not human beings, they are not students. I'd like you to speak on that here. Don't cover this because we have to understand what's happening.
Zama ya mbunge ya Kisomo ni alumililia nongina nganganya mama savu ama mandiwa moso wa matambia maima kimiao ukunikilio nuwende kwa Kisomo cha musingi na kila cha junior secondary.
If 50,000 students you have an app, a discrepancy, what's the cost? What was the director of secondary education doing? What was the director of primary school education doing? And what was your capitating officer who is next to you, the accountant, doing? Somebody has to pay for this money. We can't allow it to go scot-free. Yes, you've done a good job, but we want those officers to answer. If they have capitated 50,000 students for 3-4 years, they have actually caused the country to lose.
At this point in time, because we are in the middle of a process, I think it would be better for us to complete the process. But as we all know, the usual and disciplinary process as given by the Public Service Ethics and Code of how we deal with any public officer who contravenes any rules or any regulation.
Imovea wa Kisomo wiweta no toma maskulu ni lovia sia Kisomo yani capitation tuivikea wakatano kwa maskulu ndiana meida makelilo mavuti isesoni dhidi ende ya kumanda utalo wago wa mandiwa maskulu ni.
Our expectation and our plan is that by 1st of January 2026 all our learners, all our schools, all our teachers, all our stakeholders will be on campus. We shall have migrated everybody.
Kuma vamos nilovi dilivote ya vilingo mauvonye nito Benjamin Mwaka.